Okay, today, let's make soap. Let's unpack the chemistry behind this. To make soap, we need mainly two ingredients: coconut oil and sodium hydroxide. Here is the step-by-step process. Step 1. Oil purification. We start with crude coconut oil. It's often dark and impure, so we pass it through fuller's earth. This acts as a filter, removing pigments and impurities until the oil is crystal clear. Now, pour the purified coconut oil into the sodium hydroxide bowl. Next is the saponification reaction. Using a glass rod or spoon, stir the mixture vigorously. You need to mix them thoroughly to ensure they react completely. As you stir, the sodium hydroxide acts like molecular scissors, cutting the triglycerides in the oil to form glycerol and soap molecules. Now we move to the separation phase. After saponification, the bowl contains a mixture of soap and glycerol. To separate them, we add table salt or sodium chloride. This triggers the common ion effect, which forces the soap to clump together, turning it into a dense curd that sinks to the bottom, while the liquid glycerol floats to the top. We carefully remove the glycerol from the top, which can be saved for beauty products. This leaves us with a thick mixture of soap and residual salt at the bottom. To purify the soap, we load this mixture into a centrifuge. It spins at high speed, physically separating the soap from the salt water, leaving us with clean, raw soap. We didn't measure the sodium hydroxide in exact amounts, so we must neutralize the excess base. We add a weak acid, like citric acid or phosphoric acid, H3PO4, into the mixture. These acids gently react with the leftover base to balance the pH, ensuring the final soap is safe for your skin. Now, we take that liquid soap and spray it into a heated tank set to nearly 120 degrees Celsius. This intense heat evaporates the excess water, instantly drying the soap into a fine, concentrated powder. Finally, we head to the shaping stage. We add our chosen colors and fragrance to the soap powder, blending them thoroughly to ensure a premium finish. We then press this mixture into molds to create solid soap cubes. Now that we've finished making soap, let's talk about some other important points regarding the soap-making process. Did you know that commercial soap is rarely 100% pure? In typical adult soap, the actual soap content is often only around 55%. The rest consists of fillers used to reduce production costs. There is also a key difference in the ingredients used. Factories typically use potassium hydroxide, or KOH, for baby soap, whereas they use sodium hydroxide, or NaOH, for adult soap. Finally, you'll find that baby soap is generally of higher quality, with a soap percentage usually in the 60 to 70% range. This is why baby soap is typically a bit more expensive than standard adult soap. How does soap remove dirt? First, individual soap molecules rush toward the stain. Their grease-loving, hydrophobic tails bury themselves deep into the dirt, completely covering and trapping it. Then, a rush of water arrives. The water-loving heads lock onto the flow, lifting the encapsulated dirt right off the surface and washing it completely away. And that is the crazy chemistry behind soap making and how it cleans. Subscribe to Deep Dive to learn more crazy things just like that.